NBC 10 News begins right now with breaking news.
That breaking news comes directly from the Rhode Island State House tonight, where a bill protecting abortion rights in Rhode Island becomes law as the governor just signed it. It came minutes after it passed a final hurdle in the House, and it's all to protect women's rights should Roe v. Wade get overturned on the federal level. Hello, everyone. I'm Dan Janik.
Good evening. I'm Patrice Wood. It has been a loud and grueling battle. The night team's Danielle Kennedy is live at the State House. Danielle?
Now, Patrice and Dan, the governor not wasting any time signing this bill into law, calling it tonight an important and consequential bill that she says is about providing access to health care. The bill passing in the Senate 21-17, a close vote, the House 45-29. Supporters say it permanently protects a woman's right to an abortion in Rhode Island, regardless of what happens with the federal courts. Three big changes came out of this bill in the Senate that's now signed into law. One offering stronger protections if a fetus dies while a woman is assaulted while pregnant. Another making doctors explain in a patient's medical record why a post-viability abortion was performed. Under the law, late-term abortions would only be allowed to preserve the health and life of the mother. The governor signing the bill tonight, but not everyone in support. Those in opposition say the language is too broad and argues that it goes beyond Roe v. Wade. Other lawmakers say Rhode Islanders do not want this legislation.
As I was, shopping at the mall, people would stop me. If I was at the Dunkin' in Chepachet, people would stop me, and they would explicitly say, this bill is too much, you're not going to vote for this.
There is broad and majority support for this bill. It's a bill that codifies the status quo. It's a bill that provides access and preserves access to high-quality health care for all women.
Now, the law takes effect immediately. However, there was some efforts on the Senate floor tonight to prevent that from happening. One senator introducing an amendment he called a trigger amendment, which would mean that this law wouldn't go into effect unless something were to change with Roe v. Wade at the federal level. That amendment turned down tonight. Also important to note that if two more senators had voted against this bill, it would have tied in the Senate and then would have died there. Live tonight in the State House, I'm Danielle Kennedy, NBC 10 News Night Team.